So guys, ngayon, welcome back at medyo mainit ang panahon but it's not an issue ngayon, medyo fresh na fresh, sobrang init guys. Sana relax, drink a lot of water. Pero ngayon, palalamigin natin ang araw nyo because we're going to talk about pure gold. So what is within the pure gold? Pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa Stocks on the Spot. So, welcome back guys. This is Bern and bago tayo magpatuloy, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videong ina-upload ko. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, pag-uusapan natin ng pure gold. Is it best time to entry and ano ba naging epekto ng pandemic sa stocks na to? So, one of the things we need to consider that pure gold is a consumer product. So, lahat ng mga essential thing nasa pure gold. And, naging makabuluhan ba to? Naging nakatulong ba to sa panahon ng yung pandemic ba o yung COVID ba ay nakatulong sa pure gold dahil as we know, medyo yung mga tao, ang binibili nila ay essential thing lang. So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, are you ready? So guys, at the moment, ang pure gold, no, medyo, let me say na interesting na yung price action ni pure gold. Pero hindi muna, tingnan muna natin yung fundamentals niya. And based on the 12 trailing till month na EPS niya, meron siyang EPS na 2.37 and meron din siyang PE ratio na 20.15. In this case, medyo expensive na si pure gold, but that's just one factor. And tignan natin yung technical aspect nito in chart. So, let's see kung is it good considering that the PE ratio is 2015. And let's see then if the foreign investors start buying these stocks or they start selling. So guys, again, this stocks is just an analysis na how I look at it and how I analyze this stock. It is not a recommendation. Kaya kailangan, we need to be more proactive din. No? And again, it is your own decision. Buying stocks, nandito lang ako just to do some analysis based on request. Ito isa sa mga ni-request ng mga subscriber natin. So, pure gold. So, let's see naman in terms of fundamentals. So guys, let's see. Ito na yung ano natin. So guys, I'm using the First Metrosec Pro. So ito, makikita natin, there's a lot of foreign companies start buying for pure gold. So CLSA, AsiaSec, so malalaking volume na rin. If you will notice here, ang net foreign buy is about 45 million. So, almost 46 million pag ni-round off mo. And also, consider this guys, 52 weeks low natin 26 and 52 weeks high is 50. And the current price is 47.75. So, near approaching na sa 52 weeks high. And kung titignan mo, stock info niya, yan lang naman. So, marami pa rin pumapasok. No? The volume still good and the transaction, marami talagang bumibili. But consider that one. Tingnan naman natin yung chart. Ito yung chart ng First Metro. So, yan. So, and guys, if you will notice, volume is not as impressive kasi masyado pa rin mababa ang average volume. So, but MACD crossover pero hindi pa rin talaga siya neutral pa rin siya. Hindi pa rin siya, we cannot consider this as a bullish, within zero range pa din. RSI is sideways. the stocks. So, ito, short terms, nag-uptrend siya dito. Pero, at of the moment, short term, sideways pa rin ang ating nakikita dito. So, sideways yung market natin. And guys, kung tignan mo to, hindi pala siya makita. So, to. Parang, pag pinaximize mo, hindi pala nakikita yung tools. Okay. So, eto. So, dito, eto yung short term dito, nabasag na siya yung uptrend niya. At the moment, meron naman tayong sideways position. So, eto, sideways na to. Mula dito, diba? Sideways to. Ayan. So, sideways tayo ngayon. So, short term, sideways, but try na natin to. Medyo pinakita ko lang yung trend. Tapos, guys, for this week, if you will notice, ilan doji ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, no, almost doji. Kasi undecided, volume is undecided. Pero look at this formation. Nagkaroon ka ng hammer, sunod-sunod na doji. And then, eto, boom. And moving averages, so still in the bullish pa rin siya. So, sana lang, ang tinitignan kong support and resistance dito. Ito, 50. Ito na yung nakikita ko. Resistance. Ang support natin, somewhere here. At this level, 40, ano to? 43. So, yan yung 43 support natin. So, yun lang guys. And so, ito yung babantayan nating level. So, resistance, 50. As I mentioned earlier, yung 50, yung 52 weeks high niya. So, tabi pa. So, yung 50, so 50 yung 52 weeks high. So, baka potential na, usin nga natin. So, potential na pag ito, in the short term, umangat to in the next week, potential na magkaroon to ng 52 weeks low. And watch out this on this level. So ngayon, pero okay na to, di ba? So pwede ka pang pumasok kung hindi ka pumapasok, pero watch out on this 43. Pero depende kung magka-volume, but foreigners are still on. Nandito na sila, pumapasok na. And guys, eto lang yung 52 weeks low nyo. Eto lang. Imagine kung nakasalo ka dyan. Kung nakasalo ka dyan at the current price, you have 84% gain. So, medyo maganda-ganda ng laban mo dyan. Pero kung hindi pa rin naman huli kasi in the long term, eto yung mga price niya in the long term. So, yan. So, medyo, if you will notice guys, so kung matagal ka nang nanonood ka talaga ng video ko, mapapansin mo, at 2018 talagang nag-peak lahat, marami tayong mga ina-analyze na stocks. 2018 talaga peak. And after peak 2018, ayan, nag-drop. So, which means, maganda ngayon ang accumulation kung tinitignan mo long term. Pero kung mag-trade ka, so, eto yung short term na dapat mo consider. So, yun lang guys. And, again, summarize lang natin, volume is not as impressive pa, medyo hindi. Moving average in the short term, medyo bullish pa, hanggang moving average 100. So, I hope na mag-continue siya and papunta ka ng 52 weeks low. MACD crossover pero hindi pa rin naman solid to eh. So, hindi pa rin natin masabing Bern. And, ayun lang. So, watch out for the 50. Ang support niya 43. So, yun yung mga dapat mong bantayan. So, depende pa rin yan kung anong klase ka na trader. Kung investor ka, long term, short term. Pero at the moment, I see it as a sideways pa rin. So, sana mag-break niya itong 50 and magkakaroon ka ng medium tawag nito, medium bullish. No? In the medium range, magiging bullish ka. So, yun lang guys. So, isa pang maganda rito kasi, eto yung mga nakinabang na yung tawag nito, pandemic. So, yun lang guys. I hope nakatulong to. And again, kung may mga tanong ka about sa mga stocks, pwede ka naman mag-message below. At kung may mga suggestion ka, guys, open naman tayo sa suggestion. Huwag lang tayong mambabash. Hindi magandang mambash, guys. So, yun lang. So, once again, thank you. And maraming salamat. So, guys, I hope nakatulong to. At sana, I pray and sana mas marami pa tayong mga Pilipinong maturuan how to invest, and that's my dream. Sana kaya nga sana you share this vlog, you share this channel, at kung hindi ka pa nagsasubscribe, subscribe ka na. Please, I encourage you, I will appreciate you subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, at share mo na rin sa mga kaibigan mo, pamilya, kapuso, kapatid na nais din matuto about investing. So once again, this is Bern nagsasabi, bawat Pilipino may kakayahang masaya. God bless you all, guys.